Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Welcome for you, the Pratisha Education Point. Today we are studying about the MCQ question as a metal and non-metal. Most important question you will be see today. My first question will be which metal is stored under kerosene oil? Question is calling you which metal is stored under kerosene oil. Option A iron, option B sodium, option C copper, option D zinc. The correct answer will be sodium. Sodium is the metal which is stored under the kerosene oil. Now we see question number second. Which of the following is a non-metal? Option A aluminum, option B calcium, option C sulfur, option D magnesium. The correct answer will be sulfur. Sulfur is the non-metal where aluminum, calcium and magnesium is the metal. Now we see question number third. Which metal is the best conductor of the electricity? Option A copper, option B aluminum, option C silver, option D iron. Here correct answer will be silver is the metal which is good conductor of the electricity, but we know that we are not using silver as a conductor because silver is the costly metal and least amount is present in our country, so we are using the transmission line, the aluminum, and the domestic line as a copper wire. So that, but silver is the good conductor or best conductor of the electricity. Now question number 4. Question number C. Silver. Up. Now we see the question number 4. Rusting of iron is an example of option A reduction, option B oxidation, option C displacement, option D neutralization. The correct answer will be rusting is the iron of an example of the oxidation. So option B is correct. Now we see question number 5. Which metal is used for making the electric wire? Option A iron, option B copper, option C zinc, option D lead. The correct answer will be B. Copper is the metal which are using for making the electric wire. Question number 6. Which non-metal is essential for respiration? Option A nitrogen, option C oxygen, option C oxygen, option D chlorine. The correct answer will be oxygen. Oxygen is non-metal which is essential for the respiration. We need the oxygen for the respiration. Without oxygen, where respiration is not continue. So continue for the respiration, oxygen is need. Question number 7. Which metals react violently with water? Option A iron, option B copper, option C sodium, option D silver. Correct answer will be sodium. Sodium is the metal which react violently with water because sodium is more reactive metal. Question number 8. The chemical formula of the rust is option A FeO, option B, Fe2O3, option C, Fe2O3.XS2O, option D, Fe3O4. The correct answer of the rusting B, Fe2O3.XS2O. Now question number 9. Which of the following is the hardest natural substance? Option A iron, option B gold, option C diamond, option D copper. The correct answer will be copper. Copper is the hardest natural substance. Now question number 10. Metal are generally brittle, option A. Option B non-lustrous. Option D good conductor of the heat. Option D poor conductor. Correct answer will be C. Good conductor of heat. Now question number 11. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Option A iron, option B mercury, option C sodium, option D lead. We know that iron is the solid, sodium is solid, lead is the solid, mercury is the only metal which are found in liquid form at the room temperature. So option B is correct. Now question number 12. Which non-metal is used in water purification? Option A iodine, option B sulfur, option D chlorine, option D phosphorus. The correct answer will be chlorine is non-metal which used for water purification. Now question number 13. Which metal is used for the galvanization? Option A copper, option B aluminum, option C zinc, option D iron. The correct answer will be zinc. Zinc is the metal which used for the galvanization. Now question number 14. The property of metal by which they can be beaten into sheet is called option A ductility, option B malleability, option C conductivity, option D hardness. The correct answer will be B. Malleability is the property of metals by which they can be beaten into the sheet. Question number 15. Which non-metal is a good conductor of electricity? Option A carbon as a graphite, sulfur, option C phosphorus, option D nitrogen. The non-metal as a carbon as a graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Now question number 16. Which metal is extracted from the bauxite ore? Option A iron, option B copper, option C aluminum, option C zinc. The correct answer will be aluminum. Now question number 17. Which gas is released when metal react with acid? Option A oxygen gas, option B nitrogen gas, option C hydrogen gas, option D carbon dioxide gas. The correct answer will be hydrogen gas. We can see which gas is released when metal react. Now 2Na react with 2HCl compound 2NaCl plus releasing gas hydrogen. The evolved gas is hydrogen. we can see the releasing gas is the hydrogen. So option C is correct. Now question number 18. Which metal does not corrode easily? Option A iron, option B copper, option C gold, option D zinc. The correct answer will be the metal is gold which does not corrode easily. Now question number 19. Which non-metal is used in a fertilizer? Option A nitrogen, option B oxygen, option C chlorine, option D argon. The correct answer will be nitrogen is the non-metal which is used in a fertilizer. Now question number 20. Which metal is used to make fruit cans? Option A copper, option B tin, option C zinc, option D iron. So option will be tin. So tin is the metal is used to make food cans. So now like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much, Nai.